Hello learners, welcome back to our next video tutorial of Simplified Triple C. I am Akhil, your instructor for MS Excel. In this video we will talk about function in MS Excel, and we will have a look on AutoSum function, where we see how the sum function, average, count number and maximum minimum functions are being used, and how we can implement them we will see in this video. First of all, let's discuss what is function. Functions are predefined formulas which are already available in Excel library for executing some operations such as mathematical operations, logical operations or financial operations. And AutoSum is a function in Microsoft Excel that automatically enters the appropriate formula or function into your spreadsheet. For example, if we have some value in cells A1 to A5, just and we want to make sum, then we select the range, and by clicking on AutoSum button we can get the AutoSum of these values which are written in A1 to A5. Okay, how we will do this, let's see. In Excel, for that I'm just opening it, and now it is very helpful feature because the AutoSum feature makes entering formulas easy without the need of memorizing the syntax of each formula. So this is the feature of this for users to use a function instead of defining a formula. So let's see how the AutoSum function works. If we have a series 1, 2, and we are just putting it here, and okay, sorry. Okay, now we have a series A1 to A5, and we want to make sum by using AutoSum function. For that, for example, I want to make it green. Okay, now here we will see the answer. For that, I'm just typing here a formula. Sorry, the font color is now light green. I'm just making it black. Okay, now you see, look at here, equal to, and I'm just defining here some formula. Sum equal to A1 sorry, colon, and the second range is A9. Just type here, and you can see the whole range is being selected automatically. If we type equal to sum and the range, as you can see here, and press enter, the AutoSum of the series will be printed here. Let's see. Yeah, this is the sum of this range. Okay, we can do this manually. For example, I'm just copying this series from here to here. Okay, now if you want to do it manually, just select an extra cell for the result, and make click on this option AutoSum, just, and you can see here is the answer. I'm just making again highlight. Okay, here we can perform various functions such as average. You look at here, sum, average, count number, maximum, minimum. Let's see how it works. Just select the range here. Okay, now select the drop down list, and you can calculate the average by clicking on it. Okay, this is the average of this series. Okay, let's see the other option, which is count number. Yeah, Here you can see this the result is 9, which means we have 9 cell here which contains some data. Okay, so I'm just making highlight it again. Okay, yellow. Okay, let's see another example, other option. I'm just clicking here and make it highlight. Okay, and now see the other option, sum average count number is being done, and now the maximum and minimum. If we click here on max, now you can get the maximum result, and if you select here and click on minimum, the minimum will be the answer, which is 1. Okay, I'm just making it highlighted again. I'm just making it green, and the other one is okay, the blue one. These are some options which are sum, average, count number, maximum, minimum, and we can also define using by defining manually. Just if you want to make sum, just type here equal to sum and make parenthesis and select the whole range. Now you can see the automatically fill being done here. Now you can see it is A1 to A9. If you press enter, here will be your answer. Okay, now let's see the other example. If you want to find average, equal to average, and just select the range and press here, and now you can see the average of the numbers. If you want to perform another operation, just make it here max equal to and select the range. If you're selecting it here, now you can get the result. This is your result. Okay, now if you want to find minimum, just type here minimum and type select the range, and okay, and press enter. Now you can see this is the minimum value of that formula. So these are the some basic AutoSum functions which we have done clear here. If you have any doubt, any query about this topic, you can ask me or leave your message in our comment box. I will try to answer it. So this is enough for this video. See you in our next video tutorial. So thank you.